The government on Saturday said there was no communication to the Chief Election Commissioner to attend a meeting with PMO officials on electoral reforms. On that, a letter of November 16 from the Law Ministry to the panel had made it clear that the Secretary of the Election Commission was to attend a virtual meeting to iron out certain related issues. Air Chief Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary on Saturday said the investigation into the IAF helicopter crash in which General Bipin Rawat, his wife Madhulika Rawat, and 12 armed force personnel died would be completed in a few weeks. It may have seemed like an obscure United Nations conclave, but a meeting this week in Geneva was followed intently by experts in artificial intelligence, military strategy, disarmament, and humanitarian law. Severe cold wave conditions were witnessed throughout the northern parts of the country on Saturday, with minimum temperature in Rajasthan's Fatehpur and Churu dropping below freezing point. Amid rising concern over the Omicron variant, BMC on Saturday asked citizens to completely avoid any gathering or organizing of parties for Christmas and New Year's Eve. Kitambi Srikanth etched a new chapter in the history of Indian badminton when he vaulted into the men's single final of the World Badmintonship Champion with a hard-fought victory over the compatriot Lakshya Sen 17-21, 21-14, 21-17. 2 years into the coronavirus pandemic, the US is confronting another dark winter with the red-hot Omicron variant threatening to worsen an already dangerous surge of cases. The Narendra Modi government is with the cooperative movement and its workers and wants the movement to move forward, but we will also have to bring it transparency and efficiency and provide space to youth with professional backgrounds, Home Minister Amit Shah said at a conference of the corporation sector at Pravarnagar in Maharashtra, Ahmednagar on Saturday. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray condemned the desecrations of the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in Bengaluru. India has very clearly conveyed to friendly nations like the US, Russia and France that weapon systems and platforms required by the Indian Armed Force will have to be manufactured here, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said on Saturday. India on Saturday successfully tested the new generation nuclear-capable Agni Prime ballistic missile, which has the strike range from 1,000 km to 2,000 km from the Abdul Kalam Island off the coast of Odisha.